Today we are starting with electrophilic substitution reaction, correct? Electrophilic substitution reaction of aryl halides. See, in the last lecture we are done with the nucleophilic substitution, and today we are starting with electrophilic substitution reaction of aryl halide. Now first we'll see meaning of electrophile. Now what is electrophile? The species which are electron deficient, and have tendency to accept a pair of electron. See, no one will ask us what is electrophile, give the meaning of it. लेकिन हमें मालूम होना चाहिए what is electrophile. The species मतलब substance जो भी हमारे पास रहेगा वो species which are electron deficient. The electron deficient है and they have tendency to accept a pair of electron. मतलब they will accept a pair of electron. मतलब दो electron accept करेंगे, correct? और चार electron accept करेंगे, but they will always accept as a pair electron, like one pair, two pair, three pair. So species which are electron deficient and have a tendency to accept a pair of electron are called as electrophile. Okay. Now, like for example, like I'll just take one example here. Suppose we are having chlorine Cl2. Normally we know chlorine Cl2 means what? Cl single bond Cl. Cl2 Cl single bond Cl. If the bond break in homolytic manner, मतलब there's a single bond and one single bond is made of how many electron? 2 electron. So first chlorine will get 1 electron and second chlorine will also get 1 electron. And we all know that chlorine has 7 electron in the outermost shell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Second chlorine also has 7 electron in the outermost shell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Correct? So each chlorine has 7 electron in its outermost shell. So when the bond break in the homolytic manner, means when the bond breaks symmetrically, then first chlorine will get its electron back. Okay. Second chlorine will also get electron back, and already the 3 pairs are as it is. So when the chlorine gets their electron back, and we know we call them as a free radical. They are called as a free radical. But suppose like between the chlorine there is a single bond. Okay, then each chlorine has 7 electron in its outermost shell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And if the bond break heterolytically, means in unsymmetrical manner. See now here between the 2 chlorine atom there is a single bond. And one single bond is made up of how many electron? 2 electron. So if the bond breaks in the unsymmetrical manner, मतलब दोनों इलेक्ट्रॉन A और A कोई एक क्लोरीन के पास जाएंगे. तो सपोज अगर मैंने बोला कि दोनों इलेक्ट्रॉन फर्स्ट क्लोरीन के पास जाए, ये इलेक्ट्रॉन भी और ये भी, मतलब एक्चुअली ये इलेक्ट्रॉन इस क्लोरीन का है, ये इलेक्ट्रॉन इस क्लोरीन का, लेकिन इसके पास आने के बजाय इज गोइंग टू द फर्स्ट क्लोरीन. सो व्हाट हैपेंस, द फर्स्ट क्लोरीन विल गेट its 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 are there, plus it will get one more electron, so it will become negative charge because chlorine has its own 7 electrons. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, और ये इलेक्ट्रॉन अगर एक्स्ट्रा उसके पास अगर आ जाएगा तो इट विल बिकम व्हाट, नेगेटिवली चार्ज. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and this chlorine has given away its one electron. So this chlorine will have how many electron here? 1 2 3 4 5 6, and one electron is less, so this will have a positive charge, and this chlorine is called as a the electrophile. Electrophile क्यों? Because every atom wants to have 4 electron in the outermost shell to complete its octet, 4 pairs, 8 electrons. So यहाँ पे 1 2 3 4 5 6 electrons are there, 2 more can accept. So this chlorine can easily accept one more pair of electrons, because अगर एक chlorine को octet complete करना है तो this chlorine will require 2 more electron, and 2 more electron मतलब one more pair, and so the species require one more electron pair, so it can be called as electrophile. Okay, so what is the definition I said meaning here? The species which are electron deficient and have tendency to accept a pair of electron are called as electrophile. Correct? So यहाँ पे मतलब अगर bond unsymmetrically break हो जाएगा, unsymmetrical manner, which is called as a bond breaks in unsymmetrical manner, then the two species are generated. The one which more electron, normally we call them as a nucleophile, but one which has a less electron are called as the electrophile. So electrophile के पास यहाँ पे एक पेयर कम है, एक पेयर में 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन कम है, करेक्ट? तो आपने 2 पेयर लाने, एक 1 पेयर एक्स्ट्रा लाने की कोशिश करेगा. ओके, so now we'll go for this reaction. तो यहाँ पे क्लोरीन अटैक करेगा. So now we'll go for the first reaction, और of course यहाँ पे जो बॉन्ड ब्रेक हो रहा है, the bond will break in the presence of suitable reagent. यहाँ पे reagent का हमें जरूरी है. So bond will break heterolytically in the presence of suitable reagent to produce electron deficient species which are called as electrophile. Correct? Okay. Now it's starting with the reaction here. Yes. So the first one is halogenation. The first one is halogenation. What is halogenation? We are having chlorobenzene, benzene ring attached to Cl. It is called as chlorobenzene. To chlorobenzene, we are adding chlorine, Cl2. Cl2 मतलब Cl single bond Cl. Cl2 in the presence of anhydrous, FeCl3, in the presence of anhydrous FeCl3. Okay, so here the chlorobenzene react with the chlorine in the presence of anhydrous FeCl3. FeCl3 is called as ferric chloride, and then the bond will break in the heterolytically. बॉन्ड हेटेरोलिटिकली ब्रेक हो जाएगा, और बॉन्ड अगर हेटेरोलिटिकली ब्रेक हो तो यहाँ पे क्या जनरेट होगा, Cl प्लस, एंड यू नो दैट यहाँ पे Cl2 मतलब Cl सिंगल बॉन्ड Cl, उसमें से एक Cl जनरेट होगा जिसके ऊपर पॉजिटिव चार्ज रहेगा, एंड वन Cl प्लस विल गो एट द ऑर्थो पोजीशन एंड वन Cl will go at the para position. Okay, now we'll say why the attachment are done only at the ortho and para. तो यहाँ पे देखो, हम लास्ट लेक्चर में एक कंसेप्ट किया था. सी हियर, देखो यहाँ पे स्ट्रक्चर 1, स्ट्रक्चर 2 पे ऑर्थो पोजीशन, देखो क्लोरीन यहाँ पे है तो ये हमारा ऑर्थो पोजीशन है, और ऑर्थो पोजीशन पे एक पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन है. करेक्ट? बाद में थर्ड स्ट्रक्चर में देखो पैरा पोजिशंस पे एक इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर है, और बाद में स्ट्रक्चर 4 में अगेन ऑर्थो पोजिशंस पे एक इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर। मतलब ऑर्थो पोजिशंस यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे एंड पैरा पोजिशंस यहाँ पे। ऑर्थो एंड पैरा पोजिशंस आर रीच इन इलेक्ट्रॉन। I'll repeat again. Ortho and para positions are reach in electron, मतलब इलेक्ट्रॉन रीच है, एंड बिकॉज देयर इलेक्ट्रॉन रीच, तो जिसको भी इलेक्ट्रॉन चाहिए वो कहाँ पे अटैक करेगा, ऑर्थो पे अटैक करेगा या तो पैरा पे अटैक करेगा, करेक्ट। तो इसीलिए देखो यहाँ पे हमारे पास Cl2 अगर बॉन्ड हेटेरोडाइटिकली ब्रेक होगा तो हमें Cl+ मिलेगा, एंड Cl+ इज इलेक्ट्रोफाइल। ये इलेक्ट्रोफाइल है, इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशिएंट है, उसको इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर चाहिए, तो इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर चाहिए, इसीलिए ये कहाँ पे अटैक करेगा, एट ऑर्थो पोजीशन एंड एट पैरा पोजीशन। तो हमें यहाँ पे दो प्रोडक्ट मिलेंगे, क्लोरोबेंजीन, द फर्स्ट I'll write down the structure as it is, and then one Cl will go at this position, so here we get this one plus benzene ring, chlorobenzene, and one Cl will get at the para position. Now here, so ortho, this is called as, the name is, it is called as a ortho, I write the name here, it is called as ortho dichlorobenzene, ortho dichlorobenzene, or it can be also called as 1,2 dichlorobenzene. Why ortho? Because अगर ये number 1 है तो ये number 2 रहेगा, and number 2 position are called as the ortho. So you can write down the name here as ortho dichlorobenzene, or it can be also called as a 1,2 dichlorobenzene. Similarly, the other structure here, see this is number 1, so this will be number 4, and number 4 is called as a para. So this name can be written as, the name can be written as para dichloro. Why dichloro? Because there are two chlorines, so para dichlorobenzene. Para dichlorobenzene is one word, para dichlorobenzene, or it can be called as 1,4 dichloro. It is one complete word, dichlorobenzene, correct? Para dichlorobenzene, or 1,4 dichlorobenzene. Now here, when the 1 Cl plus goes and attach over here at this corner, what is there? H is there. तो जब यहाँ पे Cl अटैच करेगा तो यहाँ से क्या रिप्लेस होगा, H बाहर आ जाएगा, ओके, 1H। सिमिलरली Cl प्लस जब यहाँ पे अटैक करेगा तो यहाँ से भी क्या बाहर निकलेगा, 1H प्लस। तो how many H plus are coming out? 2H plus, and 2H plus will combine with the 2Cl. यहाँ पे Cl थे तो उसमें से एक Cl था पॉजिटिव जो यहाँ पे अटैक हो गया, और एक Cl जो नेगेटिव था जो यहाँ से H प्लस बाहर निकलेगा वो Cl माइनस के साथ कंबाइन होगा, यहाँ से भी H प्लस बाहर निकलेगा वो Cl माइनस के साथ कंबाइन होगा। सो लाइक दैट वी विल हैव हियर 2HCl। 2H कैसे है देखो, बिकॉज तुम लोग यहाँ पे H तो दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है, तो ध्यान में रखना जब Cl यहाँ पे अटैच करेगा यहाँ से क्या एलिमिनेट होगा, 1H। जब Cl यहाँ पे अटैक करेगा तो यहाँ से क्या बाहर निकलेगा, 1H, and the 2H combined with the Cl to gives you what, 2HCl. अब हम लोग बैलेंस करेंगे। How many rings we have here? 1 and 2 rings. So I'll just write down here 2 rings. Cl, how many Cls we are having here? Cl we are having on the right side. See here, 2 Cl, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 Cl, correct? So here I'll see already 2 Cl are there. So here I'll multiply by 2. So 2 2s are 4 Cl and plus 2, 6 Cl. Equation is balanced. Now here, the ortho product is called as a minor, and para product is called as a major. जो हमारा ऑर्थो प्रोडक्ट है उसे हम लोग माइनर बोलेंगे, माइनर मतलब इट इज इन अ स्मॉल अमाउंट, and para product is called as a major because it is in a large amount. Now why ortho is a minor and para is a major? Because see here जब क्लोरीन यहाँ पे अटैक करने चला जाएगा तो ये क्लोरीन उसको इजीली अटैक होने नहीं देगा, मतलब क्लोरीन का अटैचमेंट यहाँ पे कम होगा, बिकॉज देयर इज अ स्टेरिक हिंड्रेंस। हिंड्रेंस मतलब ये पहला वाला क्लोरीन दूसरे वाले क्लोरीन को यहाँ पे अटैच होने इजीली, अटैच तो हो रहा है बट इट इज नॉट अटैकिंग वेरी इजीली, तो कम अटैक होगा, तो इसीलिए यहाँ पे माइनर प्रोडक्ट मिलेगा। लेकिन यहाँ पे इजीली अटैक हो सकता है क्योंकि उसके आजू बाजू में कोई भी ग्रुप नहीं है, तो इसलिए ये हमें प्रोडक्ट कैसे मिलेगा, मेजर मिलेगा। तो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर ऑर्थो प्रोडक्ट इज अ माइनर एंड द पैरा प्रोडक्ट इज अ मेजर। ओके, yes, so we have done this first electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay, now we move on the next one. Second one, nitration. Second one is nitration. So in nitration here, I can say, again I'll take chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene is allowed to react with nitration. Means what? Nitration means action of concentrated HNO3, and HNO3 is called as a nitric acid. Concentrated HNO3 is called as nitric acid, and nitric acid, for our convenience, we can write OHNO2. See here, what is the actual formula of nitric acid? HNO3, correct? But for our convenience, we can write down here as what? OHNO2. We can count here. There's a one H, one N, one N, and how many O are there? 3 O are there. So 1 plus 2. The same formula, HNO3. For our convenience, we can write down as what? OHNO2. OHNO2. और यहाँ पे भी बॉन्ड कैसे ब्रेक होगा? हेट्रोलिटिकली, मतलब ये बॉन्ड पेयर है, यहाँ पे बॉन्ड मतलब 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है, एक इलेक्ट्रॉन ऑक्सीजन का है, एक इलेक्ट्रॉन नाइट्रोजन का है, करेक्ट? तो क्या होगा? दोनों इलेक्ट्रॉन O के पास चले जाएंगे, दोनों इलेक्ट्रॉन O के पास चले जाने के बाद O will get a pair of electron and O will become negatively charged, and NO2 जिसने अपना इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज कर दिया है, and NO2 will carry a plus charge. See, between O and N there is a single bond. One single bond is made of 2 electrons, and both electrons are going towards the O. So O has got extra electron of nitrogen, so because of which it has got negative charge, and N has given electron, so it is called as NO2 plus, and this is going to be the electrophile. This is going to be a electrophile. So यहाँ पे electrophile कौन रहेगा हमारा? NO2 plus. NO2 plus, and NO2 group is called as a nitro. NO2 plus is called as a nitro. So now I'll write down the reaction here. I'll cancel from here. Yes, I'll write chlorobenzene, a benzene ring, chlorobenzene. To that, now nitric acid, how I'll write? OH and NO2. So I'll write here OH NO2 concentrated nitric acid, and we are doing this reaction in the presence of concentrated H2SO4 and on heating. What happened now here? This is this is electrophile, will attack at ortho position, will also attack at para position, but when attack over here, what comes out from this corner? H. When NO2 attack at this corner, what comes out from this corner? H, and H combined with the OH to gives you water. Okay, H combined with OH to gives you water. So I'll write down the first product. This is original chlorobenzene, an attack at ortho position plus chlorine and attack at para position plus यहाँ से एक H बाहर निकलेगा, यहाँ से एक H बाहर निकलेगा, so 2H will combine with the 2OH and 2H and 2OH will gives you what 2H2. यहाँ से 2H बाहर निकल रहे हैं और यहाँ से हम कितने OH यूज करें 2, तो here I'll multiply by 2. अभी देखो यहाँ पे बैलेंस होगा 2NO2, तो NO2 and NO2, 2 benzene ring, so here we'll have 2 benzene ring. Equation is balanced. So this compound is called as chlorobenzene,